Sitting by the lamplight, dreams in a daze, thinking about your shadow lost in a haze. World spins fast, but my mind moves slow. In this downpour, it's the place I go. Tires slice the puddles, droplets fly. Streetlight reflections like stars in the sky. Whispers of thunder break in the night. In this tempest, I find my light. Riding in the rain, mine to take away the pain. Feeling every drop like a song in my veins. I'm just riding in the rain. Let the storm roll in again. Passing faces hidden under their hoods, seeking something new inside these woods. Softly the wind hums an ancient tune. In this storm I find my true. Riding in the rain, mud from speeding wheels left its dark refrain. Then I saw you framed in the window pane, with someone else, hearts beating the same. Caught in the echoes of our old refrain. In the misty, dreary downpour of rain. Raindrops tell stories of what could have been, but here I am, chasing shadows again. I can't take the strain, so I turn back, riding down the road again. I'm still riding in the rain, went a little farther than I saw the pain. A figure on the road stopped, looked, and it's me, Lane. I realize it's me, lost in the rain.